a little egg.
A little leaf. What's the morning? We'll sing up and pop out egg. Tommy, be very hungry. How? Still look at the food. On Monday, ate it. Or apple, but he's still hungry. On Tuesday, two
Pears.
but he was still hungry. But on Tuesday, eat 2 plums, but while he's still hungry. Wednesday, eat 3 strawberries, but he was still hungry. And Tuesday and Wednesday, eat 2 oranges, but while he's still hungry. The 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 crinkle, 1 pickle, 1
Swiss cheese.
1 salami, 1 lollipop, 1 cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 watermelon. That night has stomach cake. Let's say Sunday again. Cupcake. 1 ice cream booth. After he was much better. He's hungry more. He's a little caterpillar. He was a big fat caterpillar. He was a small house